Hey everyone, it's your girl LM, and today we're diving into the world of crypto. Don't worry, I got you. We're gonna break down how to transfer your USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance step by step, because sharing is caring, but so is keeping your crypto safe and sound. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, or maybe just your phone, and let's get this crypto party started. First things first, we gotta head over to Binance, your one-stop shop for all things crypto. If you're new to the Binance crew, don't worry, signing up is a piece of cake. Just hit that sign up button and follow the steps. They'll ask you to verify your identity, just to make sure you're a real human and not some crypto-loving robot. Once you're all set up, log in and let's get this transfer party started. Okay, so we're logged into Binance, which is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. If you're new to this, don't worry. Binance is user-friendly and designed to make your crypto journey as smooth as possible. Feeling like crypto pros already? The interface might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, you'll get the hang of it in no time. The key is to take it step by step. Now, we need to find your Binance USDT address. This address is crucial because it's where your USDT will be sent. Think of it as your crypto home address. Without it, your USDT would be lost in the vast world of blockchain. Think of it like your crypto GPS, guiding your USDT to its new home. Just like a GPS ensures you reach your destination, your USDT address ensures your funds reach the right place. Head over to your wallet, click on Fiat and Spot, and then select USDT. This section of Binance is where all your different cryptocurrencies are stored. It's like your personal vault, keeping all your digital assets safe and organized. See that deposit button? Give it a click and choose the blockchain network that matches your USDT in SafePal. This step is very important because choosing the wrong network can result in lost funds. Always double-check the network before proceeding. It could be TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Each of these networks has its own advantages and fees. For instance, TRC20 is known for its low transaction fees, while ERC20 is widely used and supported by many platforms. BEP20 is Binance's own network and offers fast transactions. Don't worry, we'll talk more about networks later. For now, just make sure you select the correct one that matches your USDT in SafePal. This will ensure a smooth and successful transfer. Once you've chosen your network, Binance will give you a special deposit address. Copy it. This address is unique to your account and is essential for receiving your USDT. Think of it as your personal mailbox in the crypto world. We're gonna need it later. Make sure to store it somewhere safe and easily accessible. You can paste it into a note app or write it down. Just ensure you have it handy for the next steps in your crypto journey. Chapter 3. SafePal, your crypto safe haven. Welcome to the world of SafePal, where your crypto assets find a secure and user-friendly home. Now, let's switch gears and head over to SafePal, your trusty crypto wallet. SafePal is designed to provide a seamless experience for managing your digital assets. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a crypto newbie, SafePal has got you covered. If you haven't already, download the SafePal app from your preferred app store. The installation process is straightforward and quick. Once installed, you can import your wallet using your super secret seed phrase. This step is crucial as it ensures that your existing crypto assets are safely transferred to your new SafePal wallet. Remember, your seed phrase is like your crypto lifeline, so keep it safe and sound. Write it down on paper, store it in a secure digital note, or use any method that ensures it won't be lost or stolen. This phrase is the key to accessing your assets, so treat it with the utmost care. Once you're logged in, it's time to check if your USDT is visible. The SafePal dashboard is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through your assets. You can quickly see your balances, recent transactions, and other important information. If you don't see it, no worries. Sometimes, certain tokens might not be visible right away. This can happen due to various reasons, such as network issues or the token not being added to your wallet yet. Just go to Assets, tap Add Token, search for USDT, and enable it. Easy peasy. This simple process ensures that all your tokens are accounted for and visible in your wallet. SafePal makes managing your crypto assets a breeze, giving you peace of mind and full control over your digital wealth. Chapter 4. Time to transfer, sending your USDT on its way. All right, it's transfer time. In this chapter, we're going to walk you through the process of sending your USDT from your SafePal wallet to your Binance account. This might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. We'll break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. First things first, open up your SafePal wallet and locate your USDT. It should be listed among your assets. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it to open up the USDT details page. This is where you'll initiate the transfer process. On the USDT details page, you'll see a couple of options. Look for the Send or Transfer button. These options are your gateway to moving your USDT to another wallet or exchange. Tap on the Send button to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. This is where you paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Make sure you paste it correctly, as any mistake here could result in your funds being lost. Double-check the address to ensure it's accurate. Next, you'll need to select the blockchain network for the transfer. This is a crucial step. The network you choose here must match the one you selected on Binance. If they don't match, your USDT could end up in the wrong place, and recovering it could be a hassle. We don't want your USDT getting lost in the cryptoverse. Always double-check the network selection to avoid any mishaps. It's better to be safe than sorry when dealing with cryptocurrency transfers. After selecting the correct network, you'll need to enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Be precise with the amount, and ensure you have enough balance to cover any transaction fees that might apply. Before you hit that send button, take a moment to review all the details like a crypto detective. Check the recipient address, the amount, and the network. Make sure everything is in order. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth transfer. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. This will initiate the transfer process. Depending on the network congestion, it might take a few minutes for the transaction to be processed. To finalize the transfer, you might need to enter your wallet password or use your biometric security. This adds an extra layer of protection to ensure that only you can authorize the transfer. Once you've done that, your USDT will be on its way to your Binance account. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the transfer. Chapter 5. Success. Checking your Binance deposit. Congratulations, you did it. You successfully transferred your USDT from SafePal to Binance. Now all you gotta do is wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. The time it takes can vary depending on the network traffic, but don't worry, Binance will keep you updated. You can check the deposit status by going to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot, and finally, Transaction History. And that's a wrap. You're officially a crypto transfer pro. And there you have it, folks. Transferring USDT from SafePal to Binance is like a walk in the crypto park. Remember, managing your crypto is all about taking it step by step, double-checking those details, and maybe doing a little victory dance after each successful transfer. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep those crypto dreams alive. LM out!